Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one in the downwards direction, and I should note that from a disclosure standpoint, I do own Apple from the long side in my retirement accounts. So yes, my retirement accounts weren't too happy to see this action today, but I mean, you figured reality had to show up at least at some point. And with as crazy as this thing's been, I don't think anybody's necessarily too shocked to see this thing pull back a little bit here. But that now brings about some very interesting dynamics here headed into Friday. So the first dynamic that everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching is this level of support right here at basically $120.50. Generally speaking, that is where the price bounced off it from right there. And then the price rolled back over and once again stopped going down right at that level. So is this a guarantee of anything? Absolutely not. No such thing as a guarantee. Is it a rational thought to have? Yeah, for sure, that if the price comes down to that area and breaks down below it, that could very well create some additional downside selling pressure. Just because, like I said, call that a self-fulfilling prophecy card if you want. Just because that level has been broken, that could cause more people to want to lock in some profits, which thereby makes even more selling. And the other reason why that's interesting is if that level were to, fail, next key level, essentially not until down around that gap close location, which is around 118.50. Not saying it's for sure going down to 118.50, but technically speaking, I don't think that would really shock anybody if that actually played out in that manner. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, so who knows, maybe that level of support down there at 120.50 is going to continue to hold as support because to be fair, I mean, it's held, twice so far already, but in the event there's any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, first key level of resistance is going to be right up there at 124, and the next key overarching level of resistance right up there at that former area of support, which sits right here. Let's see, what was that? The 127.75 mark. So overall, though, shaky day today, but we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.